Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Java JDK or Java Development Kit version 18 on Windows 10. Go ahead and go to Google and type Oracle Java. Go ahead and go into the first link, and in the upper right corner, click on the download button. Scroll down and click on Windows. I'm going to get the second link, which is the 64-bit installer. Once the file is downloaded, you want to click on it. You can change the installation directory, but I'm going to keep it as is, and I'm going to click the next button. Once the files are finished installing, go ahead and click on the close button. Okay, go ahead and open your File Explorer, and we're going to go to the C drive. I'm going to go to Program Files. I'm going to find Java, JDK 18, go into that folder, and go to the bin folder. Now select the address bar and copy that. So we're going to use that link in environment variables. Go to Start button, start typing environment variables, and go ahead and click Open. Now go to Environment Variables button, scroll down and find Path. In the lower window, click on Path and click on the Edit button. Go to the bottom and click on the New button and paste the link we have just copied from the previous step. Make sure it has the bin folder. Now go ahead and click on the New button, and also you might want to add Java_home and paste the link again, but only remove the bin folder. Okay, so click OK button a couple times and we're done with environment variables. Go to Windows Start button again and type CMD and hit Enter. On the command line, type Java -- version. If that results in Java version displayed, you have installed Java JDK successfully on your system. Now also let's check if the compiler was installed. Java C -- version, and you'll see that it has been successfully installed. Now I'm going to go ahead and minimize that, and I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. I'm going to name this folder Java and hit Enter. Now I'm going to open this folder and create a new file inside it. I'm going to call it test.java. So go ahead and create that. Make sure to use uppercase letter T in test.java. Click yes to confirm change of the extension name. Now I'm going to right click on this and go to Open With, and I'm going to select Notepad. And it doesn't really matter which editor you use. I'm going to paste some basic Java code in this editor. I'm simply going to print out some text. So we have to create a class test that matches the file name, the entry point of our program here, and 2 println functions. It's pretty basic. So I'm going to go ahead and save this file. Now I'm going to go back to the folder where this file is, and basically I'm going to click on the file and click on the address bar and copy this link. So I'm going to minimize again. I'm going to go back to my command prompt and cd into that directory that I just copied. So type cd and copy and paste that location. Now to check if the file is there with the dir. Now before you can run a Java file, you have to first compile it, and we have to first use Java C command in order to do that, and only then we will run it. So go ahead and type Java C and then type the test.java file, which is the file we're compiling. So you can hit Enter and the Java compiler is going to do some work. Now in order to run our program, simply type Java test and then hit Enter. And as you can see, we have printed out the text. And this is basically how you run Java programs in Windows 10.